As we saw in Lesson 16, unstyled tables certainly don't fulfill the function of providing information at a glance. At present our table looks pretty unattractive to say the least. Let's see how using CSS we can make this look more presentable and a whole lot more professional. If you want to follow along, please start by opening the file TPA Jupyter, which can be found in the Lesson 17 folder. As you've seen previously, we will add the new styles just before the closing style tag. Let's quickly add some space. To get started, we will add the table tag selector, followed by the first curly bracket. Here, we will make the width of the table 100% and collapse the table borders. Here's what the completed version of the Moon Tours table would look like if we didn't include the border collapse property. As you can see, we are left with some unsightly gaps around our table elements. Back in the text editor, we will now apply some styling to the table data TD elements. This rule will ensure that the data inside each of the table cells is centered, that each cell has a width of 25%, includes some padding, and has a 2-pixel solid black bottom border. Now we'll create a CSS rule for the table headings. This will fill the background of the table headings with black and paint the text white. Just to add a little bit of variety, we will also add a class selector called even row. This rule will give each of the even rows a pink background. Having defined all of these CSS rules, the final task is to add the even row class to the all are welcome and now boarding table rows. First, we will position the cursor inside the TR tag, and then type class equals even row. Now, in the last table row, we will once again add the even row class. Having successfully styled this table, we'll now test it in Firefox. Here in the browser, you can see the effect that CSS has had on our table. The Moon Tours are now much easier to read, and our table looks a lot more professional.